Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. This passage is for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court Triple S and Stenotypist exam. Ready? Start. While the matter was pending with the authorities, the shipping corporation informed the petitioner that in case the containers were not released, a recourse to Section 48 of the Customs Act shall be made and the goods may have to be sold full stop. Despite that, neither the goods nor the containers were released full stop. Ultimately, the petitioner approached this court with the prayer that the orders regarding levy of duty passed by the respondents on June 1, 2000 be quashed and the respondents be directed to release the goods on payment of duty leviable on scrap full stop. Various other prayers were also made full stop stanza. Notice of motion was issued full stop. A reply was filed by the respondents full stop. Since the continued detention of goods was resulting in avoidable loss, the petitioner made a prayer to the bench that the containers may be de-stuffed and the goods be placed either in the godowns of the Central Warehousing Corporation or in any public bonded warehouse. Full stop. A bench of this court accepted this prayer. Full stop. The petitioner was directed to indicate the space available with the Central Warehousing Corporation or any of the public bonded warehouse to the Deputy Commissioner of Customs, who shall then fix the time for de-stuffing of the goods. Full stop stanza. The goods shall remain under supervision and control of the Deputy Commissioner of Customs, Central Freight Station and charges for the warfare oblique warehouse shall be borne by the petitioner. Full stop. Thereafter, the petitioners filed civil miscellaneous application. Full stop. It prayed that a local commissioner be appointed to verify the nature of pipes. Full stop. The bench, after examination of the matter, felt that it has become necessary to appoint the local commissioner to verify at the spot the nature of the pipes. Full stop. The bench directed the principal of the Punjab Engineering College to depute head of the metallurgical department to visit the aforesaid site in the presence of the parties. Full stop stanza. It was further directed that the Commissioner shall visit the said station on Saturday. Full stop. The parties within bracket with their counsel shall be present there. Full stop. The bench also appointed additional Advocate General Haryana, to be the observer during the inspection by the local commissioner. Full stop. The local commissioner was directed to submit his report on or before September 11, 2000. Full stop. The local commissioner submitted his report in a sealed envelope. Full stop. It was made available for inspection by the counsel for the parties. Full stop. A specific order was passed by the bench on September 18, 2000. Full stop. Thereafter, the goods were released after a few days. Full stop stanza. Learned counsel for the petitioner, contends that the goods were old and used pipes. Full stop. These were imported as scrap for the purpose of being melted and made into milled steel ingots. Full stop. The respondents had illegally detained the goods and demanded duty on the basis that these could be used as pipes. Full stop. On the other hand, learned counsel for respondent numbers 1, 5 and 6 has contended that the goods did not fall within the definition of waste and scrap under the Act of 1975, full stop, thus, the action of the authorities in detaining the goods and ordering the seizure was legal and valid, full stop, and over. सो ये हमारी विद फ्लक्चुएशन 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशन लाइक दिस। तो ये हमारी बैच नंबर 5 डिक्टेशन है, 1 तारीख दूसरा महीना 2020 को जो ट्रिपल एस के एग्ज़ाम में आई थी, ठीक है, यानी फिफ्थ बैच की डिक्टेशन है। तो अगर आपको इससे रिलेटेड और मैटर चाहिए तो काइंडली कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स। Thanks to all, be practice for a better future.